Hello, this is Jim and welcome to Couch Potato Cafe, where we will be discussing 5 headphones, earbuds that are currently available with high ratings and performance. These 5 have been picked out for not only ratings and performance, but a great price for anyone's budget. Remember, I will have all links in the description and comment areas as always. First up on our list is the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. These earbuds are known for their high-quality sound and noise cancellation features, making them perfect for listening to music or taking calls on the go. They also come with a wireless charging case and are sweat and water resistant. With a 4.7 out of 5 satisfaction score with over 8,200 reviews, these buds work great, and with a 6-hour battery, these are a great way to go. Next on our list is the Sony WF-1000XM4. These earbuds are great for workouts and outdoor activities thanks to their waterproof design and secure fit. They also have excellent sound quality and offer next-level noise-canceling capabilities. With a 4.3 out of 5 satisfaction score with over 16,500 reviews, you can enjoy a full working day of charge, 8 hours, from your headphones and store another 16 hours in the case. That means a full 24 hours of listening time every time you leave the house. Third on our list is the Jabra Elite 65T. These earbuds have a sleek design and offer a long battery life, making them perfect for all-day use. They also have excellent sound quality and offer both noise canceling and hear-through features. With a 4.1 out of 5 satisfaction score with over 24,000 reviews, the Jabra Elite 65T earbuds are an inexpensive option that really kicks it along with a 5-hour battery. Whether you're using these as Apple earbuds, Samsung earbuds, or more, you can listen to music the way you want to hear it by personalizing your sound on the Jabra Sound Plus app. The Jabra earbuds are Apple and Android compatible. Fourth on our list is the Bose SoundSport Wireless. These earbuds are designed for athletes and offer a secure and comfortable fit. They have a sweat and water resistant design and offer excellent sound quality. With a 4.3 out of 5 satisfaction score with over 39,000 reviews, up to 5 hours of playtime with each charge and an additional 10 hours with the included charging case, and also features a charging time of 2 hours. SoundSport free headphones have an integrated dual microphone array located on the right earbud to allow you to use them during calls when connected to a smartphone that supports Bluetooth. The Bose Connect app has a Find My Buds feature that tracks when and where your headphones were last connected to your phone. But if you're still having trouble finding your earbuds, don't worry, an audio signal from the headphones can alert you to their location. Hey, before I get to the last one, I would appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up to help push our channel to a wider community. Go ahead, I'll wait. Alrighty then, thank you for doing that. And finally, rounding out our top 5 is the Soundcore by Anker Life P3. These earbuds offer a long battery life and are great for those on a budget. They have a sleek design and offer excellent sound quality. With a 4.4 out of 5 satisfaction score with over 19,800 reviews, get 10 hours of playtime and 50 hours with the charging case. Charge 10 minutes for 4 hours of music. You can customize your listening. Use the Soundcore app to create your own EQ settings or choose from 22 presets. Use gaming mode, test the earbuds fit, update firmware, and more. Ever had an earbud mysteriously disappear? Activate Find My Headset in the app and the lost earbud will emit a loud noise to help you locate it. One more thing, and always remember to look at our community section for any new giveaways. Everything will be posted there, so go and enter the always free giveaways. Yeah, that's right, free. I even ship the prize for free. It's my way of thanking you for your support and subscribing to Couch Potato Cafe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.